Howdy, welcome back. Got something kind of exciting to show you today. I'm gonna go down and see if we can find it. Most of the times I like to take my Jeep everywhere I go, but for today I kind of need my wife's truck. Yeah, it's my wife's truck. I'm not ashamed. Alright, coming to the end of my driveway now. I kind of have a feeling they probably dropped it off down here because it's normally a little bit heavy. I don't see it. Okay. Come to find out, they surprised me today and brought it up to my house. Let's check it out. Boom! There she is. Sweet. This is exciting because this is the new Paramount front bumper for my Jeep XJ, which means, you guessed it just right, we're going to be doing an install video again. So, we'll get that going. Alright, so for now, enjoy watching me struggle as I carry this big sumbitch over to the Jeep. Woo. It's no joke. Go to the gym more often. That was tough. Alright, in all seriousness, now that I got that loaded up, time to pick a day to go over to Nick's place and work on it in his garage. This is a pretty fun way to drive. Going over to Nick's now. I'm gonna go install this bad boy. So the thing that I find that's really exciting for me regarding this, it's the first time I'm going to be showcasing my XJ. I put a lot of work into it since I first got it. And I can't wait to show it to you. Alright, Nick's recording for me. We're going to do the unboxing of the EAG Paramount front bumper for the Jeep XJ. That. Alright. Just going to rip all this off and we'll get right back. Here it is outside of the box. It's looking pretty beautiful. And with a little bit of persistence, the old bumper's off. Now we get to do the new one. So the last thing I have to do is install the bull bar, and then these big guys, I'm all done. Set up the hyperlapse again and we'll finish it up. 2 hours of work later, got it on. Super excited about it. Hey Nick, you know what this means, right?
Wheeling?
Wheeling. Even better. You know what else? I'm thinking? A reveal video.
Sure.
'That's all today for the Live Free or Die experience. I hope you enjoyed the build video. This bumper is going to be game-changing when I go out on the road. I'm super looking forward to seeing what we can do with it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, until the next entry, live free or die.